Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring 6 of the best camera lenses that elevate your photography and videography to professional levels. From versatile zoom ranges and ultra-wide perspectives to fast apertures and tack-sharp optics, these lenses are built for creators who demand exceptional image quality and creative control. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, events, or cinematic video, these optical masterpieces combine cutting-edge lens technology with practical features like no other. Let's get started. Number 6. Canon RF S1430mm f4.6.3 is STM. The Canon RF S1430mm f4.6.3 as STM is a compact ultra-wide zoom designed specifically for APS-C mirrorless cameras, perfect for travel and landscape photographers who prioritize portability. Featuring a versatile focal range equivalent to 22-48mm in full-frame terms, this lens captures sweeping vistas, architectural interiors, and environmental portraits with ease. The integrated optical image stabilization provides up to 4.5 stops of shake correction, ensuring sharp handheld shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The STM stepping motor delivers smooth, quiet autofocus ideal for video recording, while the retractable design makes it incredibly compact when stored. With minimal distortion correction and excellent edge-to-edge sharpness, this lightweight lens is the perfect everyday companion for Canon APS-C shooters exploring creative wide-angle perspectives. The Canon RF S1430mm f4.6.3 is STM retails for approximately $449 USD. Number 5. Sigma 18-50 f2.8 DCDN. The Sigma 18-50mm f2.8 DCDN is a game-changing standard zoom that delivers professional constant f2.8 aperture in an impossibly compact and lightweight package. Covering the essential 18-50mm range, 27-75mm equivalent on APS-C, this lens handles everything from wide environmental shots to flattering portraits with beautiful background separation. The fast f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range provides excellent low-light performance and creates creamy bokeh that rivals prime lenses. The stepping motor autofocus is lightning fast and whisper quiet, making it exceptional for both stills and video work. Despite its compact size, the optical formula delivers outstanding sharpness with minimal chromatic aberration and distortion. With weather-sealed construction, customizable AFL button, and remarkable value for a constant aperture zoom, the Sigma 18-50mm f2.8 is the ultimate workhorse lens for mirrorless APS-C systems. The Sigma 18-50mm f2.8 DCDN retails for approximately $549 USD. Number 4. Canon RF 28-70mm f2.8 is STM. The Canon RF 28-70mm f2.8 as STM is a compact standard zoom that brings professional f2.8 performance to full-frame mirrorless shooters in a remarkably portable package. Covering the classic 28-70mm range with a constant f2.8 aperture, this lens excels at portraits, events, street photography, and everyday shooting where fast glass matters. The integrated 5.5-stop image stabilization works in concert with in-body stabilization for incredibly steady handheld shooting, even at slower shutter speeds. The Nano USM autofocus motor provides rapid, silent focusing perfect for both photography and video, while the customizable control ring offers tactile adjustment of key settings. The optical design delivers excellent sharpness across the frame with beautiful bokeh rendering and minimal focus breathing. With weather sealing, close focusing capability down to 0.26 and a practical zoom range, this lens represents the sweet spot between performance and portability. The Canon RF 28-70mm f2.8 is STM retails for approximately $1,099 USD. Number 3. Canon RF 35mm f1.4 LVCM. The Canon RF 35mm f1.4 LVCM is a premium wide-angle prime that combines stunning optical quality with breakthrough autofocus technology for hybrid shooters. Featuring Canon's revolutionary voice coil motor, VCM autofocus system, this lens delivers exceptionally fast, silent, and precise focusing that tracks subjects with uncanny accuracy in both photo and video modes. The bright f1.4 aperture creates gorgeous subject separation with creamy bokeh, while providing excellent low-light capability for environmental portraits and documentary work. The advanced optical formula with a spherical and UD elements produces edge-to-edge sharpness with minimal aberrations and beautiful color rendition worthy of the L-series designation. The compact, weather-sealed construction makes it an ideal everyday lens for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With minimal focus breathing, smooth aperture transitions, and the versatility of the 35mm focal length, this lens is built for cinematic video and stunning stills. The Canon RF 35mm f1.4 LVCM retails for approximately $1,499 USD. Number 2, Canon RF 1628mm f2.8 is STM. The Canon RF 1628mm f2.8 is STM is an ultra-wide zoom that delivers professional-grade optics in a compact form factor perfect for landscape, architecture, and interior photographers. The 16 to 28mm range provides dramatic wide-angle perspectives with minimal distortion, while the constant f2.8 aperture ensures consistent exposure and beautiful astrophotography capability. Integrated 5.5-stop image stabilization combined with in-body IS enables handheld shooting in challenging conditions where tripods aren't practical. The advanced optical design with spherical elements and specialized coatings controls flare and ghosting even when shooting directly into light sources. The STM motor provides smooth, quiet autofocus for video work, while the customizable control ring adds tactile control. With close focusing ability, weather-resistant construction, and relatively lightweight design for an ultra-wide f2.8 zoom, this lens opens creative possibilities for full-frame RF shooters. The Canon RF 1628mm f2.8 is STM retails for approximately $1,299 USD. Number 1, Canon RF 70-200mm f2.8L is USMZ. The Canon RF 70-200mm f2.8L is USMZ is the ultimate telephoto zoom, representing the pinnacle of optical engineering and professional performance. This flagship lens features Canon's revolutionary internal zoom mechanism that maintains a constant compact length while zooming, eliminating the traditional extending barrel design. The fast f2.8 constant aperture throughout the entire 70-200mm range provides exceptional low-light performance and stunning subject isolation for portraits, sports, and wildlife photography. Advanced optical stabilization delivers up to 5.5 stops of correction, working seamlessly with in-body IS for rock-solid handheld telephoto shooting. The Nano USM autofocus is blindingly fast and accurate, tracking subjects with precision during high-speed action. The optical formula with fluorite and UD elements produces incredibly sharp images with minimal chromatic aberration and beautiful bokeh rendering. With professional weather sealing, customizable function buttons, and the prestige of Canon's L-series designation, the RF 70-200mm f2.8L is USMZ is the definitive telephoto zoom for serious photographers and videographers. The Canon RF 70-200mm f2.8L is USMZ retails for approximately $20.99 USD.